everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahi Way. I look quite tired because I'm actually very tired right now. But I just got some time to actually film, so I thought just not to miss this chance, and I'm just here filming this video. So this is one of the highly requested video on my channel. So you guys wanted me to share my top haul, all my tops and t-shirts. So I'm here sharing with you some brands that you can totally rely on, which I totally depend on. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So basically I have few brands which I trust the most. So I thought of sharing those brands with you guys. So the first brand is basically Sassafras. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this brand is available on Myntra, and this is the recent purchase from that brand. I've shared this jacket with you guys also. This is like a velvety jacket, but it's not that warm, so I can wear this in this season also. This is the brand, and this jacket costed me around 1000 rupees. This is pretty much a very affordable brand. Like, I got few of their dresses too, and I don't have the dresses right now. I'm definitely going to incorporate the pic here or here, so you can see that particular brand has a very good variety of tops. Definitely check out this brand, and you can totally rely on the quality. I know online shopping ke time you cannot rely on each brand, even if we're buying from Myntra, because we don't know her brand ki kaisi quality hai, but you can totally rely on Sassafras brand. So the second brand is something I don't see much people talking about. This is basically Big Bazaar. So I really like the quality in Big Bazaar as well. So whenever I visit Big Bazaar, I really find these tops. So this is basically the top I got from Big Bazaar. This I got 2 years back, and अभी तक मैं इसे wear करती हूँ because it's such a comfortable cloth. It's super comfortable. So अभी मैं generally इसे घर पे पहनती हूँ, but पहले मैं बाहर भी पहनती थी. Obviously just Indian thing. I really like it. I don't know about you, but I find Big Bazaar clothes good, and not all, but yeah, you will definitely find some good pieces over there. And this is something that I got from Big Bazaar, and this is a very good stripy t-shirt. One of the best jacket I would pick from Big Bazaar is this. This is basically a Shrakam jacket which I got from Big Bazaar. Definitely check out Big Bazaar. You won't be disappointed, I can guarantee that. So the third brand that I discovered is this. This is the brand known as Beautify Yourself. I discovered this brand on Instagram, and I bought 3-4 tops from them, and this is the first one. This is dirty, you can see. So this is the first one. I basically buy these kind of strip tops for my videos. This पे Barbie लिखा है, and this is a very plain and beautiful carrot color top. This top is ultra affordable. Like, I got this for 150 to 199 rupees, which is pretty affordable, and the quality, everything is so damn good. Also have few other tops from them. I will link down their site in the description box. You can definitely check out. So this is the other top. This has इसपे chill लिखा है, so I really like this top. All of these tops are like for 150 to 200 rupees, because I got like 5 tops and my total was 1000, I believe. Next I bought this one, which I wear a lot. So this is the top. I really like boat necks top. Last top that I got from them is this. You have seen me wearing this also. This is again in mustard color. So let me tell you about this side. I ordered these clothes in September, I believe, and I received these after 20-25 days. So the duration is way too long. Like, I had to mail them again and again to send my clothes, but they already told me that it will take a while to deliver it to you. So yeah, that was the only problem that I faced. Other than that, there was nothing else. Other than the quality, everything is really good, and you can find very good trendy pieces that you used to find in Shein. So the Shein ka sort of alternative hai. So the fourth brand is basically Coat from Lifestyle. Lifestyle, maybe rely on 2 brands the most to buy my clothes. So the first one is Coat, and this is the first top. You can see कितना लूज हो चुका है, because मैंने इसे इतना पहना है कि अब इसका जो ऊपर वाला इलास्टिक है वो लूज हो चुका है, बिल्कुल फ्री हो चुका है. So I need to do something with it. But yeah, this is the top. You can see यहाँ पर कोड लिखा है. So this is a top and I got in a very big size because I was actually very big before and ये काफी पुराना top है, but I still do wear it because I really love these floral prints and I really love it. So if you want a good cloth and different trendy pieces, you can definitely try Lifestyle Coat, and you can get all the trendy and everyday tops over there. Another top that I really love from them is this. So this is the top. It's basically like this, so you can see me wearing it. Super good, and it's more of a party top. So definitely try Coat for affordable good clothes. So the fifth brand is Street Style Store. Earlier I bought their boots and I quite loved it. I also placed my order for some tops. I'm gonna show you ordered, but I haven't received it now. मैंने week पहले order place किया था, but अभी तक आया नहीं है. Definitely when I will get those top, I'm gonna share with you. You can buy on Street Style Store. The quality, everything is good. Yeah, the shipping takes a lot of time, so always go for cash on delivery. The sixth side is basically pantaloons. So pantaloons के आपको showrooms normally malls में भी मिल जाएंगे, and I think pantaloons online भी available है. So I have basically basic tops from pantaloons जो मैं generally घर पर पहनती हूँ. So if you're looking for good everyday tops, you can definitely rely on pantaloons. These tops are like for 150 to 200 rupees, which are pretty affordable. Also pantaloons have good one pieces. This one is so close to me. Again you can see pantaloons लिखा है यहाँ पर. So this is the dress, and you can totally try pantaloons as well for some good trendy and everyday sort of tops and dresses. Seventh brand is basically Max. So Max के stores are so underrated. I don't know why. People think कि बहुत सस्ते कपड़े हैं तो अच्छे नहीं होंगे, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I really like Max tops as well. So I have this shirt from the longest time and I still do wear it. So you can totally see कि quality कितनी अच्छी है, and I really like this shirt. This shirt is really good. Max के clothes are way too inexpensive, really good quality. So if you find Max store, don't forget to check out because you will definitely gonna find some good pieces over there. And this is another like kurta come dress that I have from Max, you can see, and I love this. I do wear this in many of my videos because videos में आपको बस मैं इतनी दिखती हूँ, so I can wear my top, kurta, anything in my videos. 8th brand, or I can say the place from where I have a lot of my tops is Sarojini. So if you are Delhi, you know what I'm talking about, and if you are not from Delhi, you need to go to Delhi to get some good tops from Sarojini. I have a lot of tops from Delhi because I used to live in Delhi in 2019. So मैंने काफी ज़्यादा tops वहाँ से ली थी for my videos only. 9th place from where you can get your clothes is Ajio. Ajio is so underrated again. People do buy from Myntra, but I don't see much people buying clothes from Ajio. I do believe Ajio have better discounts than Myntra, and the quality, everything is again very similar to Myntra. So if you are looking for good tops, you can definitely check out Ajio. I have like these lowers from Ajio, which are really trendy and really good. You buy good tops from Ajio as well. So the 10th brand from where you can buy your tops, trendy tops, is basically Urbanic. So it's so hyped these days, but actually it's worth the hype because the quality of Urbanic clothes are way too good. I have bought their sweater in the month of December, but अभी तक मैंने कोई top नहीं लिया. I'm gonna show you the tops that you can totally get from Urbanic. So Urbanic is a sort of a dupe of Shein, but Urbanic के prices थोड़े ज़्यादा comparing with Shein. So you can definitely buy good clothes from Urbanic if you want. 7th brand is Harpa on Myntra. So this is the top I am wearing from Harpa, and I have another top from Harpa, but I am unable to find that top because this place is a mess right now. So again, you can find very comfortable, affordable pieces on Harpa. So Harpa bhi Myntra pe available hai. If you check out Myntra, definitely check out the brand Harpa. You will find a variety of these kind of tops and kurtis. So you can totally rely on these. And this was again for 300 to 350 rupees, which is pretty affordable. The 12th brand is Tokyo Talkies. Recently, I discovered this brand on Myntra and I bought this dress from them. And oh my god, the quality is damn amazing. Like this dress is for 1849, but I got it for 900 rupees from Myntra because यहाँ Myntra पे आपको Tokyo Talkies बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफ पर मिलेगा. So definitely check out Tokyo Talkies. You will find very good quality tops. I'm gonna incorporate some of my favorite from them and you can totally check out those. So I've talked about the brand Code on Lifestyle. So you can also check out the brand Ginger on Lifestyle. So Ginger again is a very good brand on Lifestyle. So this is a dress जो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी वीडियोस में पहनी हुई है. So this dress is again from Ginger Lifestyle. And I really love it. It's a very short, cute sort of dress. So Ginger ke again clothes are very good and are adorable. So you can definitely try Ginger brand also on Lifestyle. Another brand that I've recently discovered is Mishu. I just bought a suit from there. So obviously can't show it over here because it's the top brand. But I'm also going to buy a lot of other pieces. So I'm going to do a separate Mishu haul. But you can totally check out this app. I loved it. I'm going to incorporate the app and the cloth you can get, and these are so affordable and so good. So definitely check out that app. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye. Mwah.